Hello TT aspirants. Today we are going to cover the 50 rapid fire MCQs with answers. It is very important content today. So let's begin the class. Parts of speech, tenses, articles, prepositions, determiners, modals, voice, speech, vocabulary and pedagogy. So part A, grammar, 35 MCQs in the grammar session. Choose the correct article. I saw dash eagle in the sky. A and the no article. So I saw an eagle in the sky. Another correct answer. The boy dash playing in the ground. Is or were B. Answer is A. That is the boy is playing in the ground. Choose the correct preposition. She is afraid dash dogs, from dogs, of dogs, with dogs or about. It is answer B. She is afraid of dogs anta. So identify the adjective. She has a beautiful voice. She has beautiful voice. Which is the adjective? That is beautiful. They are singing. Identify the tense. Present simple, present continuous, past simple, present perfect. Answer is present continuous. They are singing. Choose the correct form. Each of the boys dash present. Are present, were present, is present, have present. ಇಲ್ಲಿ each of the boy ಅಂದಾಗ is ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So C is the answer. Choose the correct pronoun. Dash of these two is your pen. Whom, what, which, who. Answer is which. Which of these two is your pen ಅಂತ. Identify the verb. The baby sleeps peacefully. Verb ಯಾವುದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ baby peacefully sleeps the. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sleeps ಅನ್ನೋದು verb ಆಗಿದೆ. She dash to school every day. Go, goes, going, gone. ಇಲ್ಲಿ goes ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. Choose the correct model. You dash follow the rule. Can, must, may, would. ಇಲ್ಲಿ must ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. I have dash books to finish. Much, few, little. A little. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I have few books to finish ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. Identify the conjunction. He failed because he did not study. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. Choose the correct passive form. They wrote a letter. A letter was written by them. ಇದರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದು. A letter is written by them. A letter were written. A letter has written. So answer is a letter was written by them ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. Choose the indirect speech. He said I am tired. He said that he is tired. He said that he was tired. He said he tired. He said that he was tired ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Pick the synonym of happy. Sad, angry, cheerful, dull. Cheerful ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದರ synonym ಆಗಿದೆ. Pick the antonym of strong. Weak, powerful, heavy, brave. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ದು ಅಂಟನಮು ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Identify the adverb. He spoke softly. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬು. Plural of a child is children. Opposite gender of lion, lioness. He runs fast. Fast is adverb. Choose the correct determiner. There are dash apples in the basket. Much apples, little, many, a little. ಇಲ್ಲಿ many ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Identify the figure of speech. Little is a journey. Life is a journey. Answer metaphor. As brave as a lion. Answer simile. Identify the sentence type. Please open the door. Answer imperative. Tag questions. She is a teacher. Answer is not she. Preposition. The cat is dash the table. Answer under the table. Correct comparative degree. Ravi is smarter than Rohan. Answer smarter. Correct question form. Dash you like tea, do or does. Do you like tea? Choose the correct tense. She dash completed the work. She has completed the work. Past tense of go, went. Future tense, she dash help you. She will help you anta. Fill in the blank. I prefer coffee dash tea. Answer 2. I prefer coffee to tea. Identify the noun. Honesty is the best policy. Answer honesty. Abstract noun ಬರುತ್ತೆ honesty ಅನ್ನೋದು. Identify the preposition. He came after lunch. Answer after. The sun rises in the east. The is used as answer definite article. Part B reading and pedagogy ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. 15 MCQs ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. LSRW stands for listening, speaking, reading and writing. Language learning is conscious process. Language acquisition is natural and subconscious. Focus of CLT communicative language teaching. Answer communication. Remedial teaching means correcting learning difficulties. Error analysis helps the teacher to identify learning gaps. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸ್ಕಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಫೊನೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡೀಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. Synonym of pupil is student. Best method to teach grammar, inductive method. Summative assessment is done at the end of term. Formative assessment, continuous evaluation. Textbook is a teaching learning material. Learning outcomes means what the child learns at the end. So these are the 50 important MCQs. I hope it is very useful to you. If you understood very well, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon as well as press the like button, and don't forget to share to your friends if you liked my content. Thank you for watching.